Another SVR that Upton does not relay. What did he do?
Southern Connecticut until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over
Central New Haven County in Southern Connecticut until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Prospect and Bethany around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Camden around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Haven around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: New Haven, Connecticut. Flood advisory in effect until 6.
Okay, I gotta see if I can switch some of these radios to channel 5 because clearly Upton's broken.
Chance of showers and thunderstorms.